Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin' with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we are going to be working on this. I call it European Castle. It says here Castles 13. We are going to be working right down in here, and the color that I'm using is 469, I think. Yes, 469. And it is kind of a medium green. I'll show you where I'm working. Sorry. Working on this tree right in here. So, yeah. I thought we might as well. It only has, 3 or 4 colors there. So, I do have it sideways. So, it does fit like this. So, we're turning it sideways. So, yeah. I thought, why not? It was out, and I was working on it the other day. So we might as well just continue on. Oh, I forgot to pull you in. Or did I? I did. Okay. Yeah. Peace and quiet today. Don't have anywhere to go, I don't think. I have all I need right here. Of course, you know, things are subject to change. My daughter and I aren't going anywhere, haven't made any plans or anything. Oh my goodness, yesterday was kind of quiet. After we got all the stuff put away, and which was good. That only took like maybe an hour and a half to finish it totally. So it wasn't too bad at all, and he was there when I got there. So, or had just arrived. Oh my goodness. And it was a beautiful day yesterday. It was in the 50s with light wind and no big deal. So that was good. It did get cool, cooler at night, by the time I left, but nothing too drastic or extreme. I have no idea what's going to happen this weekend, if it's supposed to snow or not snow, or didn't see anything when I was looking at the temperature off and on. So I came home last night and worked on that Tree of Life for a little bit, and had my fish and French fries. I'm trying to look at this. Okay, I don't think. Sometimes I can't see the circles. I'm gonna have to switch it just for a second here. Yeah, that's what I thought that was. Alright. There's a half cross stitch in there. So we're just gonna bypass that, and we have a green, we'll call it check, the fourplex where one corner is green and then you go down diagonally, and the other one's green, which means it's a half cross stitch. I haven't looked it up, so I'll just bypass it and stitch with what I have right here. I wasn't paying attention, I was talking. It'll be fine. Let me put that needle over there though, or nothing will be fine. But yeah, I came home and had my fish and French fries, and that I usually have on Wednesdays, and stitched on the Tree of Life last night, and it's coming along. Got some leaves done. Let's go up in here where we can actually see what is going on. This symbol is kind of scattered here, there, and everywhere. I did all that darker green the other day, And then I had just started on this green. Didn't even notice that checkerboard thing. So we'll just kind of be hop, skipping, and jumping here for the most part. But yeah, that's about all I worked on yesterday. Just didn't have too much time to sit down. I was looking at stuff on YouTube, trying to kind of keep up, so to speak. Now it's starting to get to be tight stitching because you have other stitches hanging fire here. So we're struggling a bit, but nothing bad. The other symbol was a red circle. This one is a green. I don't even know if you can see those checks in between. Maybe after I get a couple of these surrounding it, it'll show up a little bit better. I forgot there was all these silly half cross stitches here. I might have to take a closer look at this, but I really don't think it's going to matter too much if I get one wrong, because it's kind of, what do you call it? I want to say mottled, M-O-T-T-L-E-D. But we'll pick out what we can see and go for that. And I haven't started any of the half cross stitch except for maybe up there in the sky, but it's far away from all this, so I don't have to worry too much. I'll try later after I get these other full cross symbols done and see how it goes. So yeah, like I started to say, we don't have any plans for this weekend. I think we're just kind of laying low until Thanksgiving and going from there. And nothing has been said about where we're having Thanksgiving. So, not a clue. Oop. So anybody else got any plans for this weekend? Are you going someplace? I hope you get to go on a little trip or something. Sometimes you just need a little trip to break up the monotony of not doing anything, you know? Because I realize it gets cold and then nobody wants to go anywhere, and including me, myself, you know, it's not like it's just one person, so. And we had all that snow, so there's nothing but mud out there. It's not like it's drying up anytime soon. trying to see where I'm going here. So I'll probably work on some of my beaded cross stitch this weekend. I want to get back to the tiger. I got stuck in the, what do you call it? In that Creek Mountain one for a while. And then I stitched on those flowers. Whoops. Well, that was attractive, Laura. It just went right up the one I just went down. So, awesome sauce. Like I always say, if anybody's got anything they'd like to share of that they finished or something they're working on. Is there anybody working on Christmas stuff yet? I do pick that other one up here, there, and everywhere. I'm working on it. That one is, I call it Christmas holiday. I don't know what else to call it. Whoops, back up, little girl, back up. Because they're nice little pieces to just stitch a little bit and go on. I did have visions of starting the lettering for that, that square, if you will, that I did start, and see if I could get it accomplished, but we'll see. Because I'll have to have that pattern like right in front of me. We'll try to do that during the day. Because that seems to be the best time when my eyes are not tired. This is such a pretty pattern. I just like the way it looks. But I thought we'd do it, stitch in the trees here, because at least it's a darker color. The castle itself seems to be really light colors. So, yeah. Alright, get that out of the way. Get it. Seriously? Alright, put that needle over there. So it's coming along. I got just a little bit. I don't know if you can see those. See right in that area? Those are all half cross stitches until you get to that black. So they're just kind of here, there, and everywhere. So they have this throughout this thing. But I'm going to stitch the other symbols if I can and get it done. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.